Hey, my peoples, what's up with it? You already know what it is, but today we doing a video on tire repair. We're putting a plug in my tire, so we gonna do a video for y'all because it's not worth paying $20 to get your tire plug when you can do it by yourself. You feel me? I ain't never had no one teach me. It's simple, but I need some first-hand experience. You feel me? So. Y'all already know. Here we go. Going to. Alright, so we putting that slime in. Put it right there on the air valve. And you just pump it up, that's it?
Pump it up 20 times.
20?
Yeah, for a tire like this.
Oh, damn. And it just goes on the inside and gets on the... That's crazy. I appreciate your help, man.
What happened to my pump?
Damn.
You got that on it?
I get it.
Yeah. What it is? Might have to take them and put the air thing on there. I ain't never had that some bitch to blow off.
Maybe it was because it was
Right, it's something up in there.
in the tire.
Yeah, I guess it once you man. Cause it hold up.
Something stuck in there?
Try to see. See that one when you go back in there. Is it gone? Oh, that just twisting on it. Fuck. There you go.
That bitch complete. Heck yeah. That slime.
Yeah, we need to do another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, with all this.
It don't matter. For our viewers, they're learning. They're gonna make the same mistake. You feel me? So, as y'all know, everybody ain't perfect. But we gonna get it done. And it's good now, y'all. 20 pumps, and it's fixed. Y'all already know what it is. 100 gang. Like and subscribe. Peace.